Good evening, guys. It's me again, the mathematics teacher, and I'm here to teach JSS mathematics as I did the last class. This class is going to take two sections. Section 1, the correction of the assignment I gave last time. Last time I gave an assignment to those who watched the video. Section 2 is converting numbers in order basis to base 10. Section 3, but not the last, converting numbers from one base to another base. So I want to thank my uncle Toby Kalejaye, for getting me a ring light. May he be blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. Let's come. Let's enjoy the video in class. Thank you very much. So we're starting with section 1, which is correction. So this is the assignment I gave last time. The assignment I gave was convert 284 tens and 35 tens 10 to base 2. So this is when I start my correction. So I'll write correction. Number 1 assignment was 184 tens. Last class I said that if you are converting any number that you're converting, it must be on the right hand side. So and the number you want to get it to must be here. The number we are getting this 184 tens is 2. So we'll divide this 184 by 2. Let's take it step by step. 1 divided by 2. We all know that is 0. So let's add this 8. It becomes 18. 18 divided by 2. We all know that is 9. 9 remainder 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We know that it does not have any remainder, so we write our remainder. Our remainder is 0. We don't have time, so later when you get home, you can do your check by yourself. So let's go again. 9 divided by 2. Let's count. 2, that is 1, 4, 8, 6, 8. So it will give us 4.5. But we don't need anything like 4.5. So 4 times 2 is 8. So write 4 here. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, that is 9. So you carry our 1, put it up here. Then 12 divided, this is 2. But there's a 1 carried up here. So it will be 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Remainder 0. We go again. When we stop is when this number becomes 0 and this one adds and any other number. Okay, since this is 2, it will have 1. The only time we stop is when this 46 becomes 0. So it is not 0. Let's keep on going. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3, remainder 0. Let's go again. 2 divided by 2, 1. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. But we don't need anything like 1. So it will be 1. Remainder, let's calculate. 11 times 2 is 11 times 2 equals to 2. So the difference between 23 and 32 is 1. So our remainder is 1. Let's divide again. So 11. Okay, this is another way. If you note that this your number that you want to divide is an odd number, know that you get and you are dividing and you are converting into base 2. Know that it will get remainder 1. If it's an odd number, like this one now is 23, it gave us 1. So it's 46, it gave us 0 because this is an even number. So let's continue. 11 divided by 2, that will be 5.5. But we don't need anything like points, as I said before. So it will be 5. 5 times 2 is what? 10. 11 minus 10 is equals to 1. Like I said before, this is an odd number. It gave us remainder 1. Let's go again. We all know that this is an odd number. So what is the number before this 5? Number before 5 is 4. So it will be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it will remainder 1. Let's not forget the one that will be subtracted because this is an odd number. Let's go again. 2 divided by 2 is here. 1. Remainder 0. This side is 1. So we have to get it to be 0. Let's go again. 1 divided by 2 is not possible. So it is going to be 1 over 2. 1 over 2 in decimal is going to be 0.5. So this is 0. So 2 times 0 is what? 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So this side is 1. This is how it will be. So since this is, as I said before, this side I was here and I said that if this side is 0, we are done with what we are dividing. So if we want to get our answer, to be correct, we'll come from down to up. From down to up. Look at this arrow. This arrow is telling us we should come from this 1 to this 0 up. Let's count it. What are we converting? We're converting 184 10. So it will be 184 tens, which is equals to, which number is here? 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. And which number do we convert 184 base 10 to? We converted it to base 2. So this side will carry, you can write 2 like this, or you can write it like this. Any way you desire, as long as it's 2 that you still wrote here, you are correct. So as you can see, I wrote here, I started from the down, not from the up. If you start from the up, your answer will be wrong. So that's why we start from down. So let's check if we are correct. 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 3 zeros 1 2 3. So we know that this 184 we are correct. We know that this 184 we are correct. The last correction we are going to do is 35 base 10. 35 base 10. It's just like this one. Where do we put our 35? Is it on the left or on the right? Put it on the right. So it will be 35. What are we converting it into? Base 2. So what are we going to put? Is it 2, 3, or 4? We put 2. So 35, is it an even number or an odd number? An odd number. So what is the number before 35? Let's count. 35 minus 1. That is equals to 4, 3. So our last number was 34. 34 divided by 2 is what? Let's use our long division. 2. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5. But we don't need anything like points. So put 1. 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2. We put our 2 under this one that we divided. So we put our equals to, what do we get? What is our result? 1. Can 2 go in 1? No. Because 2 is greater than 1. So let's bring down this 4. It's gone 14. 14 divided by 2. Let's count. But we don't have time. So the answer will be 7. This is our answer. So this 35 we were supposed to divide it by. But when we did it, it will give us some. When we subtract it, it gave us 35 minus 1 is 34. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. Let's not forget that one we minus. So we put our 1 here. So that is how we get down. Now this 17 that we got, is it an even number or an odd number? We all know our even number is number that can be divided by 2. So 17 divided by 2, that will be 6, and that will be 8.5. But don't let it like 8, like point. So it will be 8 remainder 1. This 8 is an even number, so it will have remainder 0, 4 remainder 0. Go again. 2 remainder 0. We got this 2 by 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's go again. 2 divided by 2, 1 remainder 0. Then this time we did the same thing here. 1 divided by 2, we got 0.5. The same thing we get here. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So we put 0 remainder 1. As I said here before, we don't move from up to down. We move from down to up. Because if you move from up to down, you get your answer wrong. So we are converting 35 base 10 equals to 1 0 0 0 1 1 base 2. Since we started from up, our answer will be correct. So this is if you know you did it and your answer is wrong, just look at where your answer was wrong. This is the correction. So we are moving into section 2. We've entered section 2. As I told you before I started, section 2 is converting numbers in other bases to base 10. Before I go, you can convert base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, base 6, base 7, base 8, base 9 to base 10. Not only base 6, so you can convert other bases, but this is the example I want to give you. I thought last class, I taught expanded notation. So this kind of question will need a situation of expand notation. Now the first number is what? 5. Now the 5 times 6. We are multiplying by 6 because the base we have here is by 6. So it's 5 times 6 plus, what number is here? What number is next? 3. So it will be 3 times 6 plus what is the last number? 4 times 6 This is not all of the expanded notation I taught last class. If you can remember what I taught last class, I told you that anywhere you see 6 after this plus, you write an index on top it. Since this is the beginning, between these 5, 3, 4, which number is the unit? 4. So 4 times 6, this 6 will carry 0. 3 times 3 is the next, 3 is the next, 3 times 6 is will carry 1. This 6 beside 3 will carry 1. Then finally this 5 that has 6 will carry 2. Let's calculate this fast. 6 times 6 2 up here. This you can also call it 6 square or 6 raised to the power 2. So 6 raised to the power 2 is by when a number is multiplied 2 times. So in this situation, 6 is multiplied 2 times. So it will be 5 times. Remember that 5 is there. Don't forget your 5. 5 times 6 is raised to the power 2. So what I said before, any number raised to the power 2 is that number times that number. So that is times 6 plus 3 times is raised to the power 1. So if you are times 6 by 1, that is 6 plus 4 times 6 raised to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Anything raised to the power 0, I told people that watched that last video that 6 raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 equals to 1. So 6 raised to the power 0 in this situation equals to 1. Let's calculate this. 5 times 6, we all know is 30. 30 times 6, that's 180. 180 plus 3 times 6, 18. Plus 4 times 1, 4. Let's calculate this. 18 plus 4, we have 19, 20, 21, 22. 118 plus 22, 201, 220. 202 base 10. So this 5, 3, 4 base 6 is equals to. We'll read the third section, section 3. This section 3, I'm going to be teaching you guys converting numbers from one base to another bases. So we're converting 2056 base 8 to base 2. The first thing we do is to convert to base 10. So this is 2568. Section 2, I taught you that expansion, we are converting to base 10 last time. So this time we are going to convert to base 2. So you help me, you will do this together. We are converting to base, this is our base, so times 8 plus next number is 0 times 8, next number is 5 times 8, the next number is 6 times 8. So this is the first number that we have. This is the first 8 that we have. So it will be 1, 0. This is the second 1, 8. This is 1. Third 8, 2. Then this is the last 3. So let's do this together. 2 times. Now this is 8 raised to the power 3, or you can call it 8 cubed. So 8 raised to the power 2 is 64. So 64 times 8 equals to 8 times 4 is 32. 2 carry 3. 8 times 6, that is 48. 48, 49, 50, 51. So our answer is 512. 2 times 512 plus 0 times 65, as I told you before. 0 times 64 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 1. We got 1 by 0 is because it's just about 0. 6 times 1. So let's multiply this. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 2. 5 times 2, 10. So this is it. Plus 0 times 6 is already 0 we're multiplying by, so it will be 0. Plus 5 times 8, 40. Plus 6. Let's add it. 1024 plus that is 1030 plus 40, that is 1070. So it will be 1070 base 10. We've converted it to base 10, but they say we should convert it to base 2. So next step is division to base 2. Guys, we're dividing 1070. We're converting to base 2. So let's divide 10 divided by 2, 5. 70 divided by 2, that is 35. So remainder 0, 2, 5, that is 2. Remainder 1, 12, 6. Remainder 1, 14, 7. Remainder 1, 2, 1, 3, 3. Remainder 1. How we got this 3 is 3, 63, that is 33. Remainder 1, 2 here, this is 12. 6 remainder 1, 17 again, 6 remainder 1. 2 33 remainder 0, 2 that is 32, that is going to be 16 remainder 1, 2 8 remainder 0, 2 4 remainder 0, 2 2 remainder 0, 2 1 remainder 0, 2 0 remainder 1. So this is going to be 1070 tenths equals to, from as I told you before, from down to up. Look at this arrow, from down to up. So it will be the first number we have is 1, second is 0. So we have 4 0 after 1. This 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then we have another 1, then 0, then 1 2 3 1, 1 2 3, then the last 0 0. So this is our, and don't forget to put our base 2. So this is not what we're converting. So we converted from 20568 equals to 10000 10110. Let's check if we're correct. 10000 for yes, 10101111. This is the last section in our class. So let me give you an assignment that you do. This is the assignment I'll be giving for this class. The assignment is convert number 1, 4307 base 8 to base 10. Number 2, convert 171 base 9 to base 3. And you can send the solutions to any of these 3 emails provided down here. Then in the next class, I'll be teaching arithmetic operations on number system. Let my siblings finalize things. Hope you enjoyed the class, and I'll join my brother to thank one of our Uncle Toby Kalejaye for getting us a ring light to continue more of this wonderful mathematics class.
And make sure you
like,
share,
subscribe,
and comment, and give this video a
big thumbs up.